Hey guys, it's Nick. It is Saturday, September 18th, 2021. I'm on Clearwater Beach, but it is a cloudy day. Check it out. So, today I'm going to talk about what kind of crazy people come to the beach on cloudy days, a little about the red tide, and a little about how much it costs to park over here in Clearwater. So, let's go take a walk on the beach and talk about this now. So, judging by the crowds here, you wouldn't think that it's a cloudy day or that it's a bad day to go to the beach, even though there is a threat of rain at any time, really. But that is to be expected in Florida, in this area at least, in July, August, September. The average rainfall during the year is something like 2.5 inches a month, but in the summer months, it's almost like 10 inches, so like 4 times more. So you always have the chance of rain, but it's not like it rains all day. It rains for maybe half an hour, and then the sun comes back out again, or just, you know, some clouds. So these people that are here, they are not crazy or dumb. They just know that that's how the weather is in Florida, and so don't judge on if you should go to the beach by how many clouds are in the sky, because like I said, the rain is temporary and it's still a nice day, and this water is absolutely great. This is around 86 degrees right now. This is kind of the peak temperature. It'll probably stay that way until maybe almost October. Just to give you a comparison, in New York at Rockaway Beach right now, it's like 72 degrees. So 14 degrees colder in the water, and I'll tell you, that makes a big difference. So it's a great time still to come out to Clearwater Beach. As for the red tide that some people are worried about, it was a problem this year, sporadically and in different places. But from the reports that I saw recently, like a day or two ago, there was very minimal or no dead fish washing up, or no problems with the air quality affecting people, being irritating or anything from the algae. So it looks like it's all good. So no need to worry about red tide, it looks like, at least for the time being. Now, as for parking, parking's always expensive here, and the parking lot, the municipal parking lot, fills up quick. I tried to come here at 1 o'clock, and of course, it was completely full, and people were circling around hoping that somebody leaves, but, who leaves at 1 o'clock in the afternoon? Nobody. So, anyway, driving around, looking at some of these hotel parking places, I noticed that the rates jumped from what I remember last year to be $20. Now they're $30. So that's pretty steep jump there. And what I did was, it's a little hack, if you will, but you can go to Shepherd's Hotel and they have parking by the hour, and it's like $3 an hour. It's a valet. And so the maximum rate for the day is $21. So no matter how long you stay, you're not going to pay more than $21. And if you stay less than that, let's say you stay 3 hours or something, you're paying like $9, plus tip or whatever. It's a lot better than 30. So that's a little tip. If you cannot get parking in a municipal parking lot, go check out Shepherd's. And pay by the hour instead of these flat rate $30 places. So I already swam, and the water is excellent, the temperature is excellent, and the water is pretty clear and clean. So there's no reason not to come out here. Like I said, the red tide is not an issue right now. Clouds are not an issue. It could be an issue if it rains for a little bit, but I'm kind of hoping it rains so I can show people who actually leaves the beach, because I think maybe nobody's gonna leave the beach if it rains for a little bit, unless maybe there's some lightning storm or something like that. But otherwise, people just are generally used to it and will just hunker down a little bit because they know that the rain is gonna pass eventually. So yeah, it's a beautiful day here at the beach, I'll tell you. Even in, you know, mid-September. If I didn't know it was mid-September, I would think it was still August or something, just by the temperature outside, which is, I think, high 80s, probably like 80, 87, 88 maybe. And like I said, the water temperature is still 86. So those two together make for a great beach day. And oh my God, there's something going on over there. It looks like Hare Krishnas. That's what I thought it was. When I was driving through the parking lot looking for a spot, I saw what looked to be some Hare Krishnas, and now I see where they were going. There's some kind of Hare Krishna thing going on here, so let's go check that out and see what the hell this is all about. So, okay, there's a first for everything. I've never seen a Hare Krishna parade on the beach, but here we go. I don't know if it's some kind of holiday or something, but I don't know if you could swim in those saris if they are waterproof or whatever. So I thought this was going to be just another regular day at Clearwater Beach, but there's always some surprise, right?
He was like putting the passage here, he went.
So guys, that's my look at Clearwater Beach, hanging out with the Hare Krishnas. If you're here, come on down and you can dance with them along the beach in Clearwater. So come check it out.